What is going on, everyone, and welcome in today's video on how to buy FIDA, the Bonfida token on Coinbase. So for the first step we will need to have a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, then sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. So the first step is to log into your account once you have done that, and then we will go to the search bar. And as you can see, we have a search bar and there we will type in FIDA. And there is the Bonfida token. So the next step will be to select it, and then you will be redirected to the token page. As you can see, we have a price chart over here, and you can change the price frames, the time frames. And once you have done that, then you can read about this project. There is also a white paper and a link to the official website, so then you can verify this project, this token. Once you have read everything, you can go a little bit down and there are some more stats about this token, like the market cap, the volume, the circulating supply and the all-time high. So you can make a decision if you want to buy this coin. The next step is to go to the trading options, and as you can see, we have different options over here. You can choose for a buy, sell or convert option. For now we will choose the buy option. So you also have the option to select the order type. And the order type, we have two types of orders. A one-time order, that is basically a single order for the current market price. But you can also set up a recurring buy order. And that is basically that you start automatically purchasing the same amount of crypto on a daily, weekly or monthly base. So for now we will leave it on a one-time order. Once you have done that, then we can fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to use for this purchase. Let's say 1000 euros. As an example. And now you can see the amount of coins we are receiving in return. After that we need to select the payment method over here. And I got different payment methods, but if your preferred payment method is not showing up in this list, you can simply add one by clicking on this button down below. Once you have added it, then you can select it and go back to the overview. Always check if you have selected the right coin. For now we have. And once we have checked that, then we can go to review order. If you go to review order, I will give you guys a very useful tip to save yourself a lot of money while trading on Coinbase, because every trade you place or every order you make, you will pay a transaction fee to Coinbase. That's basically a fee for using their platform, but if you don't want to pay that fee, then use the Coinbase One subscription. On this order we are already paying 38 euros of fees, and if you use the Coinbase One subscription, then it's completely free, so you don't pay any transaction fees on the order. As you can see, you can try it out for free for 7 days, and after those 7 days you will be paying like 25 euros a month. So if you are doing big trades or a lot of trades a month, then that is definitely an option to try out, and it will save you a lot of money. Once you have decided to buy this coin, just click on buy now, and these coins over here will be added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!